So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. This video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can sign out of your Bitget Wallet account. So guys, if you don't know how to sign out of your Bitget Wallet account, then this video is for you. So guys, once you're in your browser, you just need to go ahead and open your Bitget Wallet extension over here and tap on Bitget Wallet. And guys, once you're here, you'll see that you have logged into your Bitget Wallet account. If you have locked your account, then you would need to use your password to sign in again. So locking out of your account is equivalent to signing out. So guys, you just need to go ahead and find Lock app. So just look at this lower bar button over here. It says Wallet, Activity, Swap, and Discover. You just need to go ahead and tap on Discover over here. And now you'll find the Lock Wallet option right at the top right corner. Just go ahead and tap on Lock Wallet and you're in your login page again. In order to log back in, you just need to enter your password again, and in this way you can enter Bitget Wallet again. So guys, there you go. That's how you sign out of your Bitget Wallet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.